Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Intuit QuickBooks Online for tax reporting, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the Intuit QuickBooks Online website. On the home page, locate the Sign Up or Get Started button. Click on the button to begin the subscription process. You will be directed to a page with various pricing plans. Review the available plans to find one that suits your needs. Once you select a plan, click on the Buy Now or Select button. Next, you will be prompted to enter your email address. Input a valid email address that you frequently use. Create a password that meets the specified requirements. Confirm your password by re-entering it in the designated field. Proceed by clicking the Next button to continue. You will then be asked for your business information. Fill in your business name, industry, and other relevant details. Make sure to provide accurate information to avoid issues later. After entering your business details, move to the next section. You may need to enter billing information. Input your credit card details and billing address carefully. Review the subscription terms and conditions provided. Once you understand the terms, check the acknowledgement box. You will receive a confirmation email shortly after completing your order. Open the email and follow the link to verify your account. Once your account is verified, return to the QuickBooks Online homepage. Log in using the email and password you set earlier. After logging in, take a moment to explore the dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the features that QuickBooks Online offers for tax reporting. Customize your settings to align with your business needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.